This guide will advise you on how to search for products on the Probrand Procurement Platform. From the home page, you can navigate to all areas of the platform. In order to save your search as a quote or to order your chosen item, please make sure you are logged in. If you know the part code of a specific product or would like to make a general search, you can enter this in the search bar. Alternatively, you can search for the relevant product via the categories on the IT products table. If you find the product you are looking for and you don't need to look at the extended product specification, you can add the product straight to your basket from this tile. For further information about the product, click here to be taken to the product page. The product page will provide you with extended spec information to help you make sure the product will fit your requirement. You can then add the product to your basket. Please see further guides on how to place orders or raise quotes, and if you have any queries, please reach out to your account manager.